Hey guys, welcome back to the Volksmaster channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at something that's probably happened to most of us at some point: bumper damage. Whether it's a minor scuff or a major crack, bumper damage can be a real eyesore. And let's be honest, it can also be a bit of a pain to deal with. But what if I told you there was a way to get your bumper looking like new again without having to take your car to a traditional body shop? That's where mobile smart bumper repair comes in. SMART stands for small to medium area repair technology. Mobile smart bumper repair is a service that brings the repair shop right to you. Technicians come to your location equipped with specialized tools and techniques to fix your bumper on the spot. Benefits of mobile bumper repair. There are many benefits to choosing mobile bumper repair over traditional body shop methods. First, it's much more convenient. You don't have to waste time dropping off your car and waiting for it to be repaired. Second, mobile bumper repair is often more affordable than traditional body shop methods. Third, since the repairs are done on site, you can watch the process and ensure everything is done to your satisfaction. What types of bumper damage can be repaired with mobile services? The good news is that most minor to moderate bumper damage can be repaired with mobile services. This includes scratches and scuffs, dents, cracks, bumper sag. How does mobile bumper repair work? The mobile bumper repair process varies depending on the type of damage. But in general, here's what you can expect. The technician will clean the area around the damage. Depending on the damage, they may use fillers, sanding, or other techniques to repair the bumper. Once the repair is complete, the technician will paint the area to match the original colour of your bumper. Volksmaster Mobile Bumper Repair. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable mobile bumper repair service, I highly recommend Volksmaster. We're a leading provider of mobile car repair services in North Manchester, and we offer a wide range of services including mobile bumper repair, mobile dent repair and alloy wheel repair. Volksmaster also offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible service. So if you have any bumper damage, don't despair. Mobile smart bumper repair is a great option for getting your car looking like new again. And if you're in North, East or Central Manchester, we can help with your mobile smart bumper repair needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about mobile bumper repair, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to tune in next time for another car care video. I know it's tough to believe, but I can speak Welsh. Remember that town in Wales with the really long name? Next time you see me, just ask me to say it.